Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making restaurant style rich, flavorful and healthy tomato basil soup. This soup is the perfect start to a meal or as a meal in itself. To get that creamy texture, I added in a secret ingredient to the soup. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make creamy and luxurious tomato basil soup for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are making healthy and restaurant style tomato soup. So to make tomato soup, we have taken ripe red tomatoes which we have already roughly chopped, and you need to wash the tomatoes before chopping them. To make the tomato soup, we have heated a pan and added some butter in it. Allow the butter to melt. Make sure you don't burn the butter, and if you want to avoid the butter, you can also add olive oil. Now into this butter we are adding some cloves or long, some whole black peppers. Give them a stir and allow the black peppers and cloves to roast for 10 seconds. Add some bay leaves. So these whole spices will give a nice flavor and spice to the soup. Roast the bay leaves for 20 seconds. After roasting the bay leaves, add whole cloves of garlic. Keep stirring it. Roast the garlic until it is golden brown. Once garlic is nicely roasted into the butter, add some onions. So you can choose to add the veggies as per your choice and as per the quantity of soup you want to make. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. Along with the onions, add some celery. Adding the celery is optional, but it will add some healthiness to the soup. You can also add some carrots, capsicum or any veggies as per your choice into the tomato soup. We are only adding celery with the onions. Add some salt, it will help the onions cook faster and become soft. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are soft. So we have cooked the onions for 2 to 3 minutes and they are nicely soft now. Now we are adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice which we have soaked in water. Adding the rice will give a nice smoothness and consistencies to the soup, and it will give some thickness to the soup as well. Now add the tomatoes. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. It will help the tomatoes become soft. And you can also make this soup in the pressure cooker. If you want to make in the pressure cooker, just add all the veggies together and take 1 whistle on a medium flame. For adding the thickness to the soup, some people also like to add potatoes and some people also use cornstarch slurry. But we are not adding anything else because we are adding the rice. So now add salt as per your taste. Give it a mix. Cover the tomatoes with a lid and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. So you can see that the tomatoes are nicely cooked soft. So now we can turn off the flame. If you want, you can also add some basil leaves after the tomatoes are done. Just add the basil leaves on top and then mix it well. We don't need to cook the basil leaves too much because it will be cooked with the hot tomatoes. And allow these tomatoes to cool down a bit so that we can blend it nicely in the blender. Now the tomatoes are cooled down nicely. Take out the bay leaves from the tomatoes. Now transfer the tomatoes in a blender. So we have to make it into a smooth paste. tomato soup smoothly. If your blender is not strong enough to blend the seeds of the tomatoes, you can use the strainer to strain the seeds of the tomatoes from the soup. But in our blender, the seeds of the tomatoes are also crushed, so we are not going to strain it. Now again heat the pan and add the pureed tomato soup in it. Now add 1 to 2 cups of water depending on the consistency of soup you want. So you can see that how smooth the texture of the soup is. It is looking really delicious. So now after adding the water, we need to bring it to a boil. So once it comes to a boil, add a little salt. You can just check the salt in the soup and then add it if you feel that the salt is less. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar as per the sweetness you want in the soup. So we are adding the brown sugar. You can use any type of sugar. Mix it well. I am also adding some dried basil leaves. So if you are adding fresh basil leaves, don't add the dried basil leaves. Just add a little bit to give a nice flavor to the soup. Now add a little bit of cream, or you can also add milk to give it a smooth texture and consistency. You can also add some black pepper powder. This is optional. If you don't want to give it a spicy flavor, just don't add more black pepper powder because we have already added some black peppers while cooking the tomatoes. Now boil this soup for 5 more minutes and then we can serve it. So now the soup is ready and we can serve it. So the healthy and delicious tomato soup is ready. So we have served it. So while serving it, we can garnish with some croutons on top. So adding the croutons gives a nice flavor and taste to the soup. So for preparing the croutons, you can just cut the bread and then fry it in the ghee or oil as per your choice. Or you can also oven roast it. So try this recipe at your home and enjoy it with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel for latest updates and recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.